Unraveling the Rope Trick, the Magic of English Idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're peeling back the layers on the phrase, rope trick. Whether you've heard it in a conversation or come across it in a book, understanding phrases like this one is crucial for fluent English communication. So, let's jump right in and untangle the meaning behind this intriguing expression. You may be picturing a magician pulling endless rope from a hat, but in the English language, rope trick doesn't always have to do with magic shows. Originally, this term indeed comes from the world of illusion, where magicians would mystify audiences with a seemingly impossible feat using a rope. However, the phrase has since taken on a figurative meaning. When someone refers to a rope trick outside of a magic performance, they're often talking about a clever and sometimes deceptive solution to a problem. It's seen as a skillful way to achieve something that might seem difficult or impossible to others. Just like magic, it's all about impressing an audience with something extraordinary. Understanding how to use rope trick in a sentence can help you become more fluent in English idiom usage. Here are a few examples to illustrate its use in everyday language. The accountant's rope trick with the numbers saved the company thousands. He managed to pack everything into his suitcase by using an ingenious rope trick. Getting all the toddlers to nap at once was like performing a rope trick. Notice how rope trick in these sentences refers to a clever or an unanticipated method of solving a complex problem. It's not about literal ropes, but about the art of doing something that seems impossible. The rope trick idiom also has an interesting place in cultural contexts. In many stories and jokes, the term is used to hint at the unexpected twists and clever turns that characters might use to get out of tricky situations. Understanding such phrases is not only about the words themselves but about the cultural knowledge that makes language rich and vibrant. When you hear rope trick in movies, on TV shows, or in books, it's a nudge to look beyond the obvious and appreciate the ingenuity in actions or plot developments. And that's a wrap on the rope trick. We hope you found this video enlightening and that you're now more confident in using and understanding this phrase. Language is full of surprises, and it's our goal to help you discover and master its magic. Don't forget to practice using rope trick in your own conversations. Who knows, you might just dazzle someone with your linguistic skills. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.